In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on Acuity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started with your online scheduling, generating and sending invoices is an integral part of managing your business transactions. Acuity Scheduling, a popular appointment scheduling software, includes a handy feature that allows you to seamlessly create and dispatch invoices directly to your clients. Let's dive into the process. Firstly, to make any move on Acuity, you've got to navigate to their site. So, open your preferred web browser, type in Acuity Scheduling's URL, and hit enter. This will take you to the home page of Acuity Scheduling. Here you'll find all sorts of options, but what we're interested in today is getting you logged in so you can start sending those invoices. Once you're on the Acuity page, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will bring you to the login page, where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is where you type in your email address associated with your Acuity account. Be sure to enter the correct email to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, you'll come across a next button or something similar. Clicking on this will proceed to the next step in the login process. Now for many, the next part is smooth sailing. You'll have the option to continue with Google. If you've linked your Google account with Acuity, this is a convenient way to log in without memorizing another password. Simply click on this and it'll present you with a list of your Google accounts. Select the Google account you've associated with Acuity. It's important to pick the correct account to ensure a smooth login experience. With all these preliminaries out of the way, you're now logged in and ready to get down to business, sending an invoice. Once logged into your Acuity account, you'll want to navigate to the Invoices section. This part is crucial, as here is where you'll start the process of creating a new invoice for your client. Depending on your Acuity interface, you may find invoices on your dashboard or under some kind of sales or billing tab. Clicking this will take you to the invoicing section. Now you're at the exciting part, creating a new invoice. Look around for a button or link that says Create Invoice or something similar. This action will direct you to a new page or pop-up where you can start inputting the necessary details for the invoice you're preparing to send. The next steps involve adding your client's details to the invoice. You'll need to specify the client's name, and you can also include their email or phone number if required. These details are crucial as they ensure the invoice reaches the right person without any hitches. After adding your client's details, you'll then proceed to add a line item or service that they availed. Depending on what you're billing for, this could range from consultancy services, a specific product, or any other offering your business provides. Be clear and descriptive here to avoid any confusion on the client's end. Before sending the invoice, there's a critical step of confirming your client's email address. This double check ensures that your invoice does not end up in the wrong inbox. Verify the email address you've entered matches the one your client uses for business transactions. Lastly, after all these steps and once you're satisfied with the invoice details, it's time to hit that send button. This final action will dispatch the invoice straight to your client's email, notifying them of the due payment. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Always ensure the services and prices listed are agreed upon by both parties to prevent any disputes. Also, Acuity allows you to customize your invoices to some extent, so take advantage of this feature to include your branding for a more professional touch. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create and send an invoice via Acuity Scheduling. This process from logging in to dispatching the invoice is designed to be straightforward, but the impact it has on your business's efficiency can be significant. By following these steps, you'll ensure your transactions are smooth, professional, and timely. Whether it's for one-time payments or recurring billing, mastering the art of sending invoices on Acuity is an essential skill for your business toolkit,